Hi, this is just a quick short video on how to change the rear wiper blade on the Honda Jazz or Honda Fit. It's one of the easiest wiper blade changes I've ever done. You can manage to do it with one hand. All you need to do is pull the wiper blade away from the windscreen, rotate the arm, and then just pull it out to the side. Putting the new one on is just the reverse of what you've just done, but make sure that you keep the two small black lugs which are inside the wiper arm to the right hand side, and then you can just push it onto the bracket, twist it back down, and then it's fitted. Simple as that. Thanks for watching.